Hello everyone, and welcome back to SlideUpLift, your one-stop solution for all things PowerPoint. Today we're diving into the world of PowerPoint presentations and taking a look at how to change the layout of your slides. A well-formatted presentation can make a big difference in grabbing your audience's attention and keeping them engaged. So, let's jump in and learn how to make your slides shine. Step 1, select the slide you want to modify. Step 2, go to the Home tab. Step 3, in the Slides group, click the Layout drop-down menu. Here you'll see a variety of pre-designed layouts offered by PowerPoint. Let's explore the 5 main layout styles. 1. Title slide. This layout is ideal for the first slide of your presentation. It features a large placeholder for your title and often includes space for a subtitle or your company logo. 2. Section header. This layout is perfect for introducing new sections within your presentation. It typically has a large text box for a heading and sometimes a smaller content area. 3. 2 content. This layout offers 2 equal-sized content areas, making it ideal for presenting comparisons, timelines, or key points side by side. 4. Blank. This layout offers complete creative freedom. You can add text boxes, images, shapes, and other elements to create a custom layout entirely from scratch. 5. Caption with picture. This layout places a prominent image placeholder at the top with a caption area below. It's great for showcasing visuals with descriptive text. And that's it. By following these 3 simple steps, you can easily change the layout of your slides in PowerPoint. Remember to play around with different layouts to find the best fit for your content. If you're looking to take your presentations to the next level, head over to our website for a stunning collection of pre-designed templates that are guaranteed to make you look professional. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presentation tips from SlideUpLift.